SEH recently acquired a brand new drone tailor-made to operate in confined spaces. This drone is called the ASIO X. The confined space drone will allow us to capture footage and document areas that are hard to reach or otherwise hazardous for human health. These areas include waste incinerators, underground reservoirs, sewers, tunnels. As such, the drone is built to be very robust and tough. As soon as the ASIO X takes off, it begins recording data from the LiDAR, the infrared camera, and the regular camera feed. It is equipped with a 40,000 lumen LED light. This allows us to operate and capture 4K footage in the darkest of places. The ASIO X also comes equipped with a gas detector kit. It measures 4 types of gases that are very important or hazardous to human health. Afterwards, we can review all of this data in our post-processing software and build very robust 3D models that incorporate all of that data. The manufacturer, Flybotics, provided SEH with extensive training as to the operation of the drone to help us understand the algorithms behind it and how to best utilize it in a safe and efficient manner. Additionally, SEH created its own training curriculum, tailor-made to the type of projects that we plan on using this drone for, designed to keep people out of these hazardous spaces to the maximum extent possible.
With the ASIO X, we're ready to dive deep into your next project. To learn more about the ASIO X or any other of our fleet of drones, head to sehinc.com/drones.